thank you everyone for joining us here on Business Insider. Let me start with you, Dr. Manchali, because I am here in Mumbai, as my background suggests, and it bothers me and it makes me happy sometimes looking at the data. It's a very mixed feeling. Some important highlights like Dharavi has now only three new active cases yesterday. But we've not peaked out because we are today talking about data from the India outbreak report, the one that has been put together by Times Network and Protiviti, and that seems to suggest that the peak for India is in September and for Mumbai is in sometime in August mid. How much do you agree with this data, first of all, and what are the signs on the ground? Because you have been coordinating with the civic body of Mumbai and the private hospitals in the city. What is your experience and how is it looking to you?
See, as far as the city like Mumbai is concerned, as everybody is aware about that, Mumbai is a financial capital, and we cannot afford to lock down till further time city like Mumbai. And whatever cases are there in the Mumbai, if you see the trend of last 1 month, you must have seen that Mumbai is having approximately 1,000 cases per day. In spite of that, we have increased the number of testing. Earlier, we were doing approximately 4,000 COVID tests per day. Now we are doing more than 8,000 or between 8 to 9,000 tests per day. In spite of that our positivity rate, or you can say that our COVID positive cases are approximately 1,000 for last 1 month. Sometimes it's 800, 1,000, 1,200, like that only. Yesterday, it was the lowest. You can say the number of positive cases, like 717 cases in city in Mumbai. In spite of that, we were doing that 8,526 tests. So there are 2-3 concepts. Somebody is saying the peak is still going to come, or Mumbai will face peak in the September. I don't agree with that. I feel peak has already come, and now this is the time that curve has already flattened, and now curve is going to fall. So things are definitely much better in Mumbai. You must have not heard any complaint about a single patient in last 1.5 month that patient died because of non-availability of bed or non-availability of health infrastructure. You must have seen that in Mumbai for last 1.5 month, each and every patients are getting bed, like either it's oxygen bed or normal bed or ICU bed. They are not facing any problem regarding to bed. As of now, till today, or you are saying as of now, today we have total 19,164 active cases in Mumbai. 19,000 cases, city like Mumbai, who is having more than 2 crore population, is not much. Out of that 19,000 cases, approximately 8,000 patients are at home. People prefer now home isolation. And approximately 6,000 patients, they are in quarantine. So hardly we have 4,500 patients who are lying in hospital. So things are much better in Mumbai, and I can say curve is definitely going to come down, and things will settle. I don't agree with that peak will come. Peak has already come, and things are settling now.
No, so one thing, the counter to that is, I mean, things may be looking better in the metropolitan area, but the risk that, the problems in Thane and Navi Mumbai, that has not gone away. The cases are still rising. And if we were to open up the city today and some of those people were to come back to work in Mumbai, they are likely to bring back infections. And that is something that you can't rule out. Will that be the second wave for Mumbai?
Yes, we are ready for the second wave also. Although we understand that second wave is not going to come for a city like Mumbai, because why? One thing I can tell you that like city like Thana, Bhiwandi, Dombivli, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Panvel, and Pune, there was cases was increasing in last 1 or more than 2 weeks. But now, if you see the trend in last 3-4 days, cases in that area also coming down. So things are also settling better in that area. They also increased their jumbo facility. Government has done wonderful job in Bhiwandi, Thana, and that area also, like Dombivli and that part. Initially, health infrastructure was not that much good. Now, your question is that Yes, definitely cases are there. Already in Mumbai, like in our Bombay hospital or other private hospital or other hospital, 30% of our bed are occupied by the patients who is coming from Thana, Bhimandi, Dombivli, New Bombay, like that only. But whatever things needs to be done in last
Is
four
this
months of
30%
this,
an authoritative data, or is it an estimate on your count?
it's
Okay,
estimated,
estimate.
but we have collected some data in few hospitals, like it's between 20 to 30% patients who are in Mumbai COVID hospital, they are from that area only.